Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a Poolish, and that's just a fancy term for a yeast starter. This is very common with people making pizza dough, and you can also use it for bread dough recipes as well. A Poolish or yeast starter really adds a lot of character and flavor, really deep flavor, to your breads or pizza doughs. My recipe today is super simple. I have 450 grams of pizza/bread flour, 450 grams of water. This is equal to 1 3/4 cups. And our last ingredient, 10 grams of yeast or 2 teaspoons. I'm going to grab my yeast and pour it into my water. And I'm just going to let that sit there for about 5 minutes. So this is about 5 minutes later. I'll just give this a little bit of a stir and we are ready to finish up the recipe. So I'm going to take all of my flour, get that right in. So if you've noticed, this is a 1-to-1 ratio of water to flour. And now we're just going to simply pour all of this right in. An optional ingredient that we could have added was a tiny bit of sugar, but I've been making this without sugar and I've always had great results, so I'm not going to today, but you can if you want. You could add a little bit, about a teaspoon or 5 grams of sugar. I'm going to grab a wooden spoon and now I'm going to simply mix this around. So my water was at room temperature. You do not want it super hot. So I don't even want it warm, because the warmer the water, the more activity is going to go on. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing this into the fridge overnight. So we're going to mix all of this up. We don't even need a mixer. Once this is completely mixed, we're going to leave it here on the counter for about an hour, and then it goes right into the fridge until tomorrow. And at that point then I will resume the video and show you what it looks like. So you just want to get in there, mix everything around, get right down to the bottom, mix, just get everything together. Push through your dough if you wish, any which way, whatever you're comfortable doing, do it your way. So I want to make sure everything is well combined. I want all of that flour in there. I don't want to have any clumps or lumps. So I'm just trying to look for little spots where I might see some dry dough, but I'm not seeing anything, so I'm pretty sure that this is pretty well mixed. So I think that is good. Okay, there we go. Just going to use my spoon and get everything off of here. So you can see how loose this dough is. And overnight what's going to happen is the fermentation is going to start. And this is going to get even looser and it's going to blow up in volume. And it's going to be really, really nice. Okay, that's good. Look at that. Oh, and it smells good. I'm just going to cover this up with some plastic wrap. Just want to make sure that I've got everything covered. There we go. So now I'm going to leave this on my counter here for about an hour. It's going to go into the fridge and then we'll come back tomorrow and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So Poolish or a yeast starter is super easy to do. I've just shown you how to do it, and if I can do it, you can do it too. So to sum up, I'm going to leave this here for 1 hour and then it's going to go into the fridge until tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.